and welcome to the Kids Can Cook the Summer Reading Program edition here at the Upper Sandusky Community Library. My name is Miss Jill. Miss Crystal is doing our videotaping, and I want to thank her for doing that. Today we are going to show you how to make a sandwich pinwheel, and I am very excited because we have some special guests that are going to help us do this.
Hi, this is Heather Kano, and this is my daughter Harper and my daughter Eden.
And we are very glad that you're able to help us with our food project today. Okay, Eden and Harper, I would like you to each take one piece of bread and put it on your tray, let's say. And what they are going to do is go ahead and cut the crust off. So just take your knife and, yep, just go like that.
Around?
Yep. Go all the way around it. This will make it easier as they are making their pinwheel. Okay. There we go. They're both doing very well with this. Good job. Now, I personally do like crust, but there are some people that don't like crust. You don't like crust, Harper? So you're really glad to be in this project then, aren't you? Very good. No, I really like the crust on homemade bread, even though I don't make homemade bread very often. There we go. Maybe what we will do with this crust is throw it out to the birds, because they like to eat it too. Okay. And then while Harper is still doing hers, Eden, I just want you to do one piece right now. But if you would take the rolling pin, and she is going to flatten out her piece of bread. Just go ahead and flatten it out. There we go.
Nice.
Harper will have you do yours in just a little bit. And you know what? This makes it easier for when we try to roll it up. Eden, good job. Now, Harper will let you roll yours out. And Eden, while she is rolling hers out, how about if you take some of the butter, and I want you to just put a real light coating of butter on your bread. They said this will make it so that it stays together better. There we go. Harper, you're doing really well with yours. Very good. You know, when I was asking the girls if they would like to help, I asked them if there were certain foods they didn't like. But you know what? I didn't ask you what you really like to eat. Harper, what is one of your favorite foods?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. Oh, those are very good. And I always like to go pick strawberries. How about you, Eden? What is your favorite food?
What do you really like?
Well, she's thinking.
Ice cream sandwiches?
Ooh, those are very good too. You know, a lady here at the library makes her own ice cream sandwiches. Okay.
Good. Okay.
That looks very good.
the butter
Now
over to
we'll
you.
let Harper go
Okay.
ahead and do hers too. Now, I believe Eden is going to do the
Ham and cheese?
Ham and cheese. Okay, so you know what, Eden, it looks like your butter is on really good. So if you would take your piece of cheese and go ahead and open that up.
You open your cheese? Okay.
And Harper is going to do the peanut butter and jelly one. And it looks to me like your butter is on there really good. So I would first take the peanut butter and spread some of the peanut butter on there.
Nice.
Okay, and then Eden, if you want to go ahead and get some of the ham. And you know what, when they cut the ham, I tried to have them cut it real thin. That way it would help in rolling it up too. And probably one slice is enough, Eden. Okay, that'll make it easier for you to roll it.
Add a little bit extra here. There you go.
There we go. And Eden, what I did with my ham was to just kind of fold it so that it would fit. And if there was some hanging out, then I used my knife and I cut it and just still put it on. Okay, now Harper, if you would go ahead and get some of the jelly out. I have some strawberry jelly, and I did put a spoon there. Maybe you can use the spoon to help you put it on. There we go.
There he is.
Eden is getting hers just right. Very
Okay,
good.
You can use your knife to help too.
There we go. Okay. Eden, it looks like you have yours just right. If you would go ahead and try to roll it up,
So this is
okay?
what it's gonna look like.
Yes.
Roll it.
And Harper, if you would try to roll yours too. There we go. And Eden, what they had suggested was taking some of the plastic wrap and putting it around your sandwich pinwheel, and then putting it in the refrigerator for about an hour. And so, ladies, you have done really, really well with yours. Now, if you would go ahead and open up the ones that I did, and then you can show everybody how you can cut those into little segments, sections. Yep, there we go.
Very good.
It may be harder to cut the one that has the ham in it. There we go. Peanut butter and jelly, Harper just cuts pretty well, doesn't it? Except it sticks to your knife.
You could have an adult use.
A sharper
Sharper
knife,
knife.
yes, that works out really
There.
well.
Wow, look at those.
There we go.
Don't they look neat?
And so, this is a snack that you could try at home.
There we go.
There, perfect.
Yeah.
And now you can just go ahead and eat a bite if you would like.
I think I'm gonna try this one.
All right, there you go. And you can use different sandwich spreads for however you would like your pinwheel to be. I want to thank you so much for coming. We appreciate your help today. See everybody later. Bye-bye.
Bye.